In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two PowerPoint presentations seamlessly. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully integrated presentation that combines the best elements of both your existing PowerPoint files. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This may sound basic, but it's the essential first step to begin our merging process. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to one of the presentations that you'd like to work on. This could be the one you're looking to expand, or just a starting point for your newly merged presentation. Next, focus on the top menu of your screen. Here, you're going to click on the Insert tab. This particular tab is crucial because it's the gateway to bringing additional slides into your existing presentation. It's a feature that's rich in functionality and will be our primary tool for merging. After selecting Insert, move to the New Slide button, which often acts as the default choice for adding fresh content to your presentation, but in this case we're going to dive deeper. Instead of just adding a blank slide, click on Reuse Slides, which you can find directly beneath the New Slide option. This is where the true magic of merging happens. Once you click Reuse Slides, a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here you'll be presented with an option to open a PowerPoint file. When you select this, it allows you to access a different PowerPoint file and bring its slides into your current presentation. Now go ahead and browse through your computer to find the PowerPoint file you wish to combine with your current one. This can be any presentation from your library that you'd like to integrate. Upon opening your selected PowerPoint file, you'll see the slides from that presentation populate the right panel. These are the slides that are at your disposal for merging. Now comes the fun part. Incorporating the slides you want into your primary presentation. You can select individual slides, or if the entire presentation is essential, you can opt to bring them all in. Simply click on each slide you wish to include, and it will magically appear in your original presentation layout. Taking this approach not only saves time, but also ensures you maintain a consistent style and design across your merged slideshows. It's helpful to preview each slide as you incorporate it so that you can make any necessary adjustments on the go, ensuring that everything flows together cohesively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully merged two PowerPoint presentations into a single, unified masterpiece. This tutorial empowers you with the skills to create larger, more comprehensive presentations, bringing together content from various sources with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.